starts now.
A new Iowa law will allow 18 to 20-year-olds to legally carry firearms.
Takes effect on Tuesday, but as KCRG TV9's Jackson Valenti reports, those teenagers won't be able to buy guns from licensed dealers. Jackson?
Jim, the gun shop owner I talked to said he supports the new law, but he's not sure it'll have much of an impact on his business. And the reason is because federal law and state law aren't on the same page.
The federal law didn't change at all, so we still have to abide by federal laws.
Kemlyn Hart owns Hart Brothers, a gun shop in Mason City. You'd think increased access to guns would mean more customers, but for licensed gun dealers across the state, nothing's changing.
I think there's more in the bill for face value for politicians than anything else.
Due to federal laws, gun buyers in Iowa and elsewhere will still have to wait until they're 21 to buy guns from licensed dealers. But 18 to 20-year-olds can now own and carry a gun and buy guns through private sales, such as selling to a relative or even an unlicensed dealer. Hart does say the change is a win for the Second Amendment, even though it might make his job harder.
How do we handle if a father comes in and buys his son or daughter, or a mother for that matter, comes in and buys a son or daughter a firearm? Is that a straw purchase? And that's something that we have to be on lookout for all the time.
18 to 20-year-olds are not allowed to buy guns from licensed dealers, and no one else, including parents, can buy guns and then immediately transfer them to somebody else. That's because the law stops what's called straw purchasing. That's where somebody buys a gun on behalf of someone else. It's a federal crime with a max penalty of 15 years in prison.
My understanding is it's illegal to gift a firearm to a nuclear family member, but in this instance, if you're buying to gift it and the way the form reads, do we still answer those questions the way they need to be answered for me to do a legal transfer?
Hart says he believes the intent of the state law that goes into effect July 1st is to allow immediate family members to gift or sell firearms to 18 to 20-year-olds so long as it's not part of a straw purchase. Now, that's the real gray area of the law. It's unclear how long a person can own a gun before gifting it to somebody. And no matter what the law says, Hart says he believes there should be a training requirement for all 18 to 20-year-olds who do purchase firearms. In the studio, Jackson Valenti, KCRG TV 9 News.